Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick tour of a few areas in my home that I've decorated for Valentine's Day and spring. I hope that this video sparks some ideas for you to get your home ready to celebrate Valentine's Day, as well as get it refreshed for spring. Let's start off with this little vignette that's directly above my sink area. The kitchen sign and greenery are both from Hobby Lobby. The white urn planter is a thrift store find, and the lilies are from the Dollar Tree. This cute spring display is above my refrigerator. I removed the old wine rack so I could use the space for seasonal decorations. The little heart basket was a $2 thrift store find. The hen and the greenery are both from Hobby Lobby. The picture is vintage false-craft, and the lilies are again from the Dollar Tree. And directly beside the Keurig machine is this adorable basket that I found at a thrift store. I filled it with my favorite flowers of all time, Lily of the Valley, along with some other spring sprigs and tulips that I got from Michael's. The little heart picks are from the Dollar Tree, and this gorgeous antique gold cappuccino sign is from Steinmart, and I found it at a thrift store. This light turquoise vase and the greenery are both from Hobby Lobby. The pink and white roses are from the Dollar Tree. And this pretty in pink framed heart art piece is a DIY, which I will feature in a separate video. This beautiful love sign was a previous DIY, which I will link below. I've surrounded it with greenery, a carved ball, and a pair of birds, all from Hobby Lobby. The coffee and teapots are vintage false-craft, and the tulips are from Michael's. Whenever you're out shopping for decor pieces, try to find things that are not just on trend, but things that you really love and you know that you're going to want to keep for a long time. And also I suggest try to find things that you know will transition through the seasons, from spring to summer, summer to fall, and fall to winter. This love sign was also a previous DIY, and I will link that video in the description box below. And I have it hanging from this DIY coat rack that I made out of an old cabinet door and was chalk painted. The greenery is from Hobby Lobby, and the two heart baskets are actually Goodwill finds. One of them was a little bit broken, but I still loved it, and it works perfectly on the display. In the guest powder room, I've added a painted lamp, another white urn planter, and a ceramic sage pitcher filled with greenery from Hobby Lobby, and florals that I used in my autumn decor that were from Michael's. I think the orange is complimentary of the wall color. I am actually planning on repainting this room in a neutral creamy white, but for now I'm going to leave it as is. I have to tell you guys, I am so impressed with these faux flowers from Michael's. They look so realistic, the colors are so vibrant, and they're so varied. It's an investment, but totally worth it. Just over the toilet, I've added another thrifted basket filled with a small wreath, a little bit of greenery from Hobby Lobby, a DIY burlap and moss heart, and this gorgeous orange distressed candle holder with an LED candle. And right behind that is one of my most favorite pieces that I have. It's just a carved piece of wall art, and it's really tall and it fits perfectly over the toilet. I absolutely love it, and I keep it up all year round. Now we're in the foyer area, and this is an area I always love to decorate with the seasons. Obviously Valentine's Day is coming up, and I've decided to add a little wreath heart, an X and an O, which I've painted in white chalk paint. You can get those at Hobby Lobby, or you can get any other letters that you want, or add any other small sign. I have two architectural pieces that I got at Hobby Lobby. The chippy white and gray painted ones. I've added those on either side of the frame. The frame is probably over 100 years old. I got it at an antique store, and I paid quite a bit for it. I love that it's chipping apart. I painted it sort of a greenish color. I have a bird cage on the right with some faux greenery in it from Michael's, and flowers as well, with some branches wrapped around it. A really tall wooden candlestick that I got at Ross. And I've added an R for my last name. I love putting things inside of frames, hanging on the wall, either art inside of art or a wreath inside of a frame or things like that. It just always looks really good, and it adds a lot of layers, it adds texture and interest to any kind of vignette. I'm always looking for pieces when I go into thrift stores or consignment stores that I can put in vignettes and that I know I can layer. I look for different heights, different sizes and different textures, because I really like to mix them all together and make interesting displays. It adds a lot of character to your home, and to me, it's great to get vintage pieces, antique pieces, as well as new pieces and mix them all together. It's so important for your home to reflect your design style. I hope this video inspired you to decorate your home for Valentine's Day and for spring. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.